Are you looking to build a discount code generator in Outgrow? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, so you can create custom, automated discount codes for your customers in no time. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how you can use this software for free with some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. Outgrow is an amazing tool that lets you create interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and even discount code generators. What sets it apart is its ease of use and flexibility. You don't need any coding experience to get started, and with a few simple clicks, you can build powerful tools to engage your audience and increase conversions. So let's dive into how to build your discount code generator using Outgrow. First, when you log into Outgrow, you'll want to go to the dashboard. You'll see the option to create a new campaign. Click on that. From here, you'll choose the type of tool you want to create. And for this video, we're going with the discount code generator. It's an easy choice, and Outgrow's interface walks you through each step with clear prompts. Once you've selected the discount code generator, you'll be taken to the campaign editor. This is where you can customize your generator's questions and setup. You'll start by defining the rules for your discount codes. Do you want to create percentage-based codes or a fixed amount discount? Outgrow makes it easy to configure both options. You can also set a minimum purchase requirement or a time limit for the discounts. Perfect for creating urgency or offering seasonal promotions. Next, you'll design the questions or steps that your users will go through before receiving their discount code. You can make these steps as simple or as detailed as you like. For example, you can ask for their email address so you can build your mailing list while delivering value, or you can gather other customer information to personalize their offer. This is an excellent way to segment your audience and tailor your promotions. Now, let's talk about the discount code itself. In Outgrow, once the user completes the steps you've set up, the tool will automatically generate a unique discount code for them. You can choose to have this code displayed on the screen immediately after the user finishes, or you can send it to their email. Either way, Outgrow automates the process, saving you time and effort. One of the best parts about Outgrow is the ability to integrate with email marketing platforms and CRMs. So once your users provide their email addresses and claim their discount codes, you can seamlessly add them to your marketing workflows. This creates a perfect synergy between your promotional efforts and ongoing customer engagement. And here's where it gets even better. Outgrow allows you to track the performance of your discount code generator. You can see how many people are generating codes, which options are most popular, and how these interactions are driving conversions. All this data is key to refining your campaigns and boosting sales. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Outgrow for yourself, completely free. And if you use the first link in the description, you'll get exclusive bonuses that will help you get started on your digital marketing journey. So, whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or someone looking to grow your audience, Outgrow's discount code generator is an incredible tool to help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.